Here we are, sliding after Jeff, trying to steer so we don't run into any more mountainsides. There's some bear tracks going by. Yeah! Try to keep from going off the cliff and from tipping over. Ah! There's Jeff continuing on. Oh! It's more work than it seems like it should be. Yeah! Incoming! No, I don't want to go that way. Oh. Okay. That's a little better. Yeah. Okay, hit the end of that run. Let's see where Jeff is. Here comes Jeff. Straight for us. Hey, 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 steer.
Oh my goodness. Oh, that's fantastic.